Hello, wonderful third graders. Mrs. Van Dyke here. Hope you guys had a wonderful spring break. Welcome back. So I just wanted to jump on and just give a little update like on can-dos this week. Because it's a shorter week, I'm going to be including this week's points and next week's can-do points as 1 week. Okay, so like last time before spring break, I announced my 2 sharp students, which were Zyra and Jaden. So good job, guys. And so then for this next time, the 2 sharp students will be announced April 24th. So next Friday, not this Friday. Okay, so I encourage you to just jump on and do these can-dos. Again, it's not a requirement. You don't get, a grade for it. It's just more so to just stay sharp and just get some extra practice on, what you're doing as far as your must-dos go. Okay, so we're learning about in math graphs, bar graphs, line graphs, pictographs, and then we're learning about adverbs. Okay, so these can-dos are just based off of that, extra practice for you, if maybe you are just wanting that extra push there to get better at what we're learning. Okay, so let's see. Stay sharp. We're gonna earn some points. I think I have it up here. Yes, here it is. So last week, this was the total points. Not last week, sorry, before spring break. And so, like I said, Zyra and Jaden, they were the top 2 there. Good job. 3 of you were tied for third, okay, and so forth. But right now, so like this is what I'll do later today. So Zyra had 105, okay. We are minusing 105 here. So let's see, do that. There we go. Okay, so minus 105 will take her back down to 0. Okay, so I'm going to do that for everybody. Everybody's going back down to 0. Okay, so later on I'm going to do Jaden, Hudson, everybody, you guys will all be 0. And then, so then let's go back here, under classwork, you go down obviously to can-dos. Okay, this is where all our can-dos are posted. Just click on a can-do, the instructions will be written for you. It'll tell you how many points the can-do is worth. And then, most likely the instructions will be written out for you. Okay, or it's a video that you click on and it's me talking or teaching you. Scroll down to, I wanted to remind you that there's a tutorial on a Flipgrid, like how to make a Flipgrid video. It's it's safe website. Only people that have a link can get to it, which I will provide only you guys with the link. So you can go to it and watch that tutorial on how to do a Flipgrid video. It's super easy, super fun, and it gives us all a chance to see each other's faces, okay? So there's a can-do coming up that will have you use Flipgrid. Okay, so look out for that. All right, I think that was it on my list. Yeah, any questions, just shoot me an email or comment, under the can-do. But yeah, like I said, miss you guys, love you guys, hope you're all doing well, and just, you guys are doing so awesome. I mean, just going through all your work that you've turned in, you guys are just really doing so great, and I'm so proud of you guys. Okay, so keep up the great work, and we'll see you later. Okay, bye guys.